Hello everybody. Today we're going to talk about how to generate DKIM keys in Mailgun. Step number 1, add your domain or subdomain in the Domains tab of the Mailgun control panel. Step number 2, choose your DKIM key length. Longer keys equal more protection from spammers. Step number 3, open your DNS provider and add the DKIM.txt DNS records provided. This record can be found in the Domain Verifications and DNS section of the Domain Settings page of the Mailgun control panel. If you want Mailgun to track clicks and opens, you can also add the CNAME record. MX record should also be added unless you already have MX record for your domain pointed at another email service provider. And that's it. It can take 24 to 48 hours for the DNS changes to be verified. Thanks for watching.